Consider how it will impact the situation if it works or if it doesn't. If your outcome doesn't work, that's okay. But it is your job to accept responsibility, be ready to admit any mistakes, and continue working to make things right. Some of the most creative ideas never transpire because no one is assigned the authority to carry out the decision. Taking responsibility for your decision doesn't necessarily mean you need to be the one to implement it. There may be various people involved in the problem and different jobs required to accomplish the solution. By taking responsibility for the decision you make, you ensure that everyone involved knows what job they need to do, when they need to do it, and how the successful or unsuccessful competition or that job is defined. Number 9, solve the problem. Now it's finally time to take action. Execute your solution so you can reach your defined goals and learn what works best. Continue communicating with everyone on board as you all work together to solve the problem. However, not every problem will be solved easily. You may encounter additional obstacles as you attempt to solve the initial problem. You can overcome any drawback by tapping into your creative mind and taking action consistently and persistently until you reach your goal. As you work hard, you can develop your capacity to achieve more in the future. Every time you successfully solve a problem, you are developing your analytical skills, communication skills, and problem solving abilities. Also increasing your confidence. Next time you need to solve a problem, you can look back on the success jobs you've done before. Number 10, track your results. The final step of the problem solving process is to track the results using the deadlines. KPIs and scheduled reports you set in step 7 will let you know immediately if you're on track or falling behind. When you reach your deadline, ask yourself if you met the goals you set out to achieve. What worked and what didn't work? Did you solve the problem? Did you solve it with the approach and time frame you expected? Answering these questions will allow you to understand if you need to take further action and help you improve your problem solving methods for the future. The best way to learn the problems to problem solve is to simply do it. Jump in with both feet and start coming up with potential solutions to issues that need fixing. Over time, you'll learn about problem solving without even realizing it. However, in addition to learning on the job, you can also take courses to help boost your skills. Studying subjects that project management or data analysis is a good way to help you succeed in identifying problems, thinking of better solutions, and leading others with good communication as you work together to put your solution in place. Bonus, this is a bonus further problem solving strategies that I'm going to give you guys. More good news. The process outlined above isn't the only way to solve complex problems. In fact, there are many strategies you can implement for solving a problem. Here are summaries of a few more problem solving methods that you can learn more about. Ideal. The ideal process of problem solving a problem can help you look at situations objectively and remove the emotional aspects that can arise when a problem occurs. It works especially well for problems that may not seem to have a clear cause or may need more than one solution. The steps involve identifying the problem, defining what the problem is and the desired outcome, exploring the possible solutions, exploring acting on a solution, looking back to evaluate the effectiveness of the solution. The root cause analysis. The root cause analysis. Root cause analysis is actually a set of various problem solving processes that aim to identify the main cause of a problem so that you can find appropriate solutions. The purpose of root cause analysis is to get the root of a problem and prevent further difficulties instead of treating the symptoms of a problem. At the same time, this approach to solving complex problems recognizes that there is value in treating symptoms for short term relief while the larger problem finding process is going on. It also assumes that there can be more than one root cause and focuses on how and why a problem occurs instead of who causes it. Simplex. This method provides a structured approach to solving a complex problem, especially those that do not have a clear solution. Simplex problem solving involves 8 steps. Number 1, problem finding, identifying what the problem is. Number 2, fact finding, collecting information, data about the problem. Number 3, clearly define the complex problem so you know what you are solving. Number 4, generating possible solutions to the problem. Number 5, choosing the solution that seems to like it will best address the complex problem. Number 6, deciding how you will implement the solution. Number 7, get stakeholders on board with implementing the solution. Number 8, taking action, clarifying, carrying out the solution. Appreciative inquiry. Appreciative inquiry looks at a problem from a different angle, or not at all. It focuses on what is going right instead of what is going wrong. It is often best applied when a change is needed within an organization or individual. This approach leans heavily on cognitive science and positive thinking. It involves 5 steps. Number 1, define the desired outcome. Number 2, discover what our strengths are. Number 3, dream of what would work well in the future. Number 4, design a plan to make it happen. Number 5, deploy the action. All right, so that's all for today. Thank you all for tuning into this podcast. I'll be doing more podcasts like these, so stay tuned. See you all in the next one.